Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find communities or boards on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Pinterest.com on any browser you have on your PC and log into your account. Then what you need to do is search for something. So I'm going to search for something like Italian pizza. And you can see the settings icon on the left hand side. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the filters pop up. What you need to do is click on profiles and boards over here, or let's go ahead and just click on boards and click apply. After you do so, you can see some of the communities created on Pinterest. These are some of the boards which provide you a lot of information and a lot of various different types of pins. You can use this for various issues. If you want to just go ahead and click on one of these, I'm going to show it to you. This is a website which will tell you how you can make a taco casserole. So this is quite informative and useful. I'm going to teach you another example of it. Just go ahead and click on the search and then search for football. After you search for football, you can see that normally the pins will come. If you want to find the community or board, just go ahead and click on this settings icon or filter icon on the left hand side. Wait for a while and click on profiles. If you click on profiles, you can see some of the profiles will appear. This is also a community. You can just follow which community you want. And you can see some of the greatest football clubs over here and a lot of communities. But if you want to join some boards, click on boards and click apply and you will see some boards over here. You can go ahead and follow these boards as well. And you will be followed up with football as you had searched the football and joined the football community and board. I hope this video about how you can join communities and boards on Pinterest was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.